we're gonna check out the all-new Alliance Valor 40V13, and I'm gonna show you guys some of my favorite features. We're gonna get back to this beautiful exterior that this Valor has, and we're gonna check out the interior because I know you're dying to know what it looks like inside.
I was dying to know.
All right, right as you come in, you have this open floor plan, and I like to call it open because you have this kitchen here and this living space with a TV and a fireplace. It's very inviting, and it's all of a sudden you just want to come here and you just want to sit on this couch and enjoy the conversations that you're having.
It's definitely a lot of space for sure.
Yeah, definitely. It's really nice. So where do you want to start? So we have a 3-seater sofa here. This is nice because it actually has buttons to recline. Are you kidding me? That's amazing. Oh, this is dangerous because I'm not gonna want to get up.
Buttons, so much better. Can't be fidgeting with little
pullers. I mean, this one has a little.
Oh, so you have choices.
Well, because if you're in the middle, you don't have a button. But
choices, guys.
Very convenient. This love seat couch turns into a bed, and I'm going to show you guys how easy this is. Haven't practiced this. It's my first time doing this, so all right.
There you go. She's got it.
This comes out like this. Oh,
almost.
Clearly,
there's legs there.
Amateur.
This is her 300th couch, and she forgot.
I forgot the legs. I always forget the legs. And then that comes down as well. So, ta-da! You have your guests, maybe your grandkids that want to come visit you in really cool places. They can definitely stay with you, and you have a place for them to stay.
Very nifty.
All right, let's put these legs in. How easy is that? It took 2 seconds. Put these cushions back.
It's kind of nice because you can also use that wall, maybe put a painting or something.
Yeah, you can make this really homey. You can, you could
shelving. I don't know.
Open shelving maybe. But why do the open shelving when you have all the space here? Look at that. That is so much space. Fuse boxes here, and also have another opening from this side. As you can see, there's a little cubby here that goes all the way through here. Perfect. And then all of your controls for your slides, awnings.
I like buttons.
Buttons are cool.
None of those fancy touch screens. I'm old school.
You don't like that? I kind of like the new techie thing, but buttons are nice. Buttons are great.
They cover everyone. So if you want buttons, they got you.
Yes. Windows on this wall here, as well as some more storage up above. Now you can put your throws, pillows for those cozy nights that you want to just chill out. All of your...
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, blackout.
That's full blackout shades.
It's a full blackout shade for privacy.
I can't be having people watch my TV. I'm watching TV.
And notice the valances are very simple. They kept it one tone. None of that, old school like valance look. This is very modern. As well as this trim here that makes it feel a little bit more like residential. Check out this Furrion fridge.
It's a big fridge too. They're not messing around.
Today's like 100 degrees in Florida. This feels so nice to just like stick your head in. And place to put your Instapot, maybe some larger items that you want to keep there. I love this kitchen. It's not a huge kitchen, but there's enough space to work from. And if you wanted to extend it, you certainly could. Look at that. You have additional space to work from.
And that's cool because you do have outlets right here. So if you wanted to bring your laptop, work while she's making you a sandwich.
Yeah, you could put a stool there, and that way you're close, to your loved ones. So
you are a loved one, that's for sure.
We have this sink here with a window, matte black faucet. And this is nice because you could see what's going on, neighborhood watch.
It's very big too.
Did you say big? Look at this. This is massive. These doors are huge.
Those doors are above average size.
They are. They're huge. Now you have shelving, open shelving. I cannot reach that one. This one I can still reach, but you're gonna have to get a step stool for the top section there. And those are going to be for your items that you don't want to have easy access to.
Snacks you don't eat very often, like bananas and stuff.
What? Bananas are awesome. And additional space here above the microwave. Furia microwave, 4-burner stovetop, and a full-size oven. Guys, you can fit a full-size turkey, cook all your veggies all at once.
They're
and
not messing around, guys. That thing is huge.
It's great. Perfect. And additional space here. That is
Great for a coffee maker. My espresso machine would go right there.
There's an outlet right above there, so you could definitely do that.
I didn't even have to think. I just knew Alliance did it for us. They just know us coffee lovers.
They know their customers. Great subway tile. This is actually tile as I'm feeling it. It's nice. On this peninsula here, we have a few drawers here, and these are nice and large. They're reinforced, so you can put heavier things there. Trash can go in there.
It's nifty. Everything you need is here, guys.
And you're like wondering, oh, well, where do I put my snacks? Where do I put all of my dry goods?
There we go.
I got you. This is gonna be a fantastic place. This is so crazy.
It's where you put the snacks you do like. Over here.
Yeah, coming into the 13-foot garage. It's gonna give you a lot of options, right? If you wanna make it to a bedroom, like a bedroom for your kids, you have 2 opposing couches on a Happy Jack system, as well as a bed.
So this is great because if you are gonna be a family, you already have the beds here. You can go to the master bedroom, put the kids here. But of course, if you're just using it for vacations, you can have your toys. You can have your toys tie downs right here. You just tie everything you need down and then
you just kind of, yeah, you can guide it on these rails here and tie down whatever you need to do, you know, whether it be a bike, mini car, I don't know, go-kart.
I would probably make this the master bedroom.
You can make this into a master bedroom.
Just open up the back door and just have this patio for yourself.
Yes, you have this wonderful patio. We cannot put it down right now because there are bushes right behind this RV, but it is fantastic for those days that you want to just like have some fresh air, right? And this has, of course, doors that open up, LED lights on either side here for that cool little look, windows here, a door, loft, TV, additional storage above here, and a bathroom. This is a half bathroom. Now for the bathroom, you're gonna have to get in here a little bit, okay? I'm 5'5". It's great for the knees, but if you're a taller person, this might be a little bit of a struggle to get in here. Or if you have back problems like me.
It's okay.
Just kidding. It's doable. If your kids have this bathroom, they can just mess it up however they want and you don't have to worry about it.
And it's great because you got the loft up there. So if you did have a lot of kids, you could have another loft or you could use it as storage.
All right, come on back to this wall here. We're gonna talk about this right here. TV, JBL speakers, so you know you're getting quality sound, and a fireplace for those cozy vibes. This is a slide, so when you're traveling, be sure to always check this, you know, and make sure it's... Oh my gosh, I almost forgot something, you guys.
She almost forgot something.
This is really cool. Alliance is doing this in a lot of their new RVs, and it's right over here.
Oh, there it is.
This little thing is a bottle opener. So if you are a bottle drinker, right? Topo Chico, beer, whatever you want, you can definitely right there at your convenience.
She almost didn't show that to you guys.
How dare I? Additional storage here. These are pretty large.
Oh, it's a great place to store your DVDs.
DVDs? What planet are you from? Look at this huge space. That is pretty deep. That is large and in charge, and I'm loving it. I'm here for it. I don't even know what I would store in there, but that's like massive. You could store all sorts of large things, or maybe you can put in a shelf in there.
It's got everything. You do have this cool little ledge here. And you put a plant.
Decorations for holidays. Yes, that's perfect.
Fairy garden. That's what I would do.
Sure. All right, come upstairs to the bathroom.
Oh, she almost missed it. Over here is where you'd put your shoes.
You can.
Look at that.
You definitely could.
Because then some places their stairs are completely covered, and then where would you put your shoes?
Yeah, they're completely closed off, so that definitely is nice. The bathroom has a drop-down shower, and I'm loving, oh my gosh, if only you could just like touch this. This is so satisfying. This like little wavy bathroom one piece is really nice. Lots of headspace here, and lots of leg space, you know, to do your business. Sink, vanity, medicine cabinet here. They give you additional space here. Maybe you want to put
secret storage.
Toilet paper.
Jeez. Secret
toilet paper up here.
That's the secret. That's the 5-ply up there.
Wow.
Like, no guests allowed. That's for me only.
And then additional space here, maybe for a trash can, and open shelving here behind this toilet. They give you enough vanity space here for things that you want to put up here. These cool little hooks. These are really awesome.
Oh, that is very nifty.
If you're not using them, you just throw them away. If you are, pull them down, super easy. Now this has 2 access points to the bathroom. And we're going into the bedroom, which has a king-size bed and windows all around. Nice squishy headboard. You have your outlets there and USB-C ports.
So if you wanted to, you could always put a CPAP machine there. Very nifty.
Closet space. Nice large rod. If you wanted to remove this, you certainly could. It is prepped for your washer dryer.
So that's 2 locations for a washer dryer.
Yeah, you have 2. You have a couple of options. I'm all about options. Now this space here is great for additional closet.
It is nice when they separate it because you can kind of have like luxury items over there.
Yeah, this is like your little nook if you want to put maybe a hat or 2, maybe your caps or something can go in here and they can live here forever. Or you can have your sock drawer here. I don't know, maybe some hangables. And you're hiding your compartment here. This is great for jewelry, for us ladies that want to just sprawl out our jewelry here.
How much jewelry do you have?
Hey, no questions.
I'm not allowed to talk about it.
No, we're not allowed to. No, don't talk about Bruno, about jewelry. Drawers here, and the third one, as well as underneath here, perfect for shoes. And my Converse could actually go under here because it is taller. And so my high tops would go perfectly under there. TV on this wall and a window, as well as your blackout shades. Okay,
very nifty.
Now underneath the bed. Look how easy that was. Oh my gosh, I could just do that with 1 finger. Underneath, additional space for your holiday items, maybe some, I don't know, things you're not using often that you just want to have underneath your bed. That is it for the bedroom here. We also have this AC here. There's 3 on board. And this door for privacy, which is pretty nice. Before we go outside, oh, and I want to also mention the cool lights.
They are pretty cool.
It's like the ambiance is on fleek. Before we go outside, we're gonna check out the specs. So the length of this bad boy is 44 foot. Height is 13 and 6 inches. Your dry weight is at 14,988 pounds. And your gross weight is at 20,000 pounds. Your hitch weight is at 3,000 pounds. Freshwater tank capacity, 98 gallons. Gray tank is 106 gallons. And your black tank is 106 gallons. There's 3 ACs on board and a fireplace that has a 5,000 BTU space heater. All right, let's go check out the exterior. The paint job on this Valor is to die for.
It is pretty cool.
It's beautiful, isn't it? It's all nice and shiny and new.
It's not wavy. Wavy is old school. This is all lines.
All right, the exterior storage is awesome because you have 3 access points. Door 1, door 2, door 3. Now it does also come with a 6-foot folding table that fits right in. It just goes right into this little slot here.
It's very smart because if you are gonna eat outside, you got the table right there, guys.
And it's not fighting for room with the other items here. You know, sometimes like we live in an RV in a Class A, it is fighting for its life, you know, for space in the underbelly. And this, you just have it right here. Awnings and slide out control here.
It's nice. If you're outside, it starts raining, we gotta close it in. It's really, really nifty, guys, having it outdoor and indoor.
As well as USB, USB-C ports and an outlet.
Perfect.
All right.
Coffee machine outside too.
On this RV, we have 2 propane tanks. Let's check out the front. Front is looking real good.
It's a sharp looking
Valor
RV.
Here and underneath.
Look at the full body paint job. It looks really, really cool.
Yeah, so this could be your access point from the front to your storage.
You have your solar disconnect and battery disconnect right here, which is great.
And then underneath, there's your generator.
Which is really cool, guys. So the solar is gonna just handle some of your basic 12-volt stuff, but if you really gotta turn on the power, you gotcha.
Yeah, you can definitely go off-grid, visit some BLM land, and then docking lights can come on and off from a switch here. Your pin here, we have the Kurt Rotaflex, and underneath this slide is another propane tank. Ta-da! And then access point number 3, it's gonna open up this way.
Now this is really cool, guys. If there's any water issues whatsoever, you can turn off, disconnect anything you need so you can just work on whatever the particular issue is. That is very smart.
And we also have our slide out switches, buttons, which is really convenient. Useful. And then of course our generator exhaust is gonna be on this side. It's gonna be a little bit tight, but come around to this side. So we have 2 slides on this side. And this is gonna be, I don't know if this is open. Oh, yeah, it is.
It is open.
So if you need to fill up your gas or fill up your toys, I guess, with gas, then you can definitely you utilize this, and it's very helpful.
Especially if you're going off the grid.
Yeah.
You just need access to your dirt bikes.
Exactly.
Really nice.
Go into the dunes or something, and then your ladder to access the roof, as well as that solar. And then your electrical connections are gonna be right back here.
And then if you take a look, you do have, these are the rims. You have a MoRide suspension here. You also have an auto leveling system. It's 6 jacks altogether.
Yeah, and check out these logos on the actual wheels. Looks cool. So it looks different from the rest, right?
Alliance logos.
Yes, and it's 3 axles. So that means you are towing more weight, and you can definitely push it to 20,000 pounds. So just make sure you get a truck that can handle that. And that is almost it, but we're gonna talk about
it's my favorite part.
This part. So over here, so it goes up like that, and we have a TV, JBL speakers on either side, a mini fridge, and open shelving on this wall, which is really cool.
They also have USB and USB-C, and that's pretty cool, because you'll be charging your phone without an actual charger.
Yeah. And you could set out a couple of chairs, a few chairs, maybe like your boys want to come outside and watch a game. I don't know, maybe the moms want to watch a reality TV show. Just saying, this would be the place to be. Come back here. We have awning number 1 and awning number 2. So they also have an LED strip that goes all along the awning, and of course your door to your garage. If you wanted to make this into a master bedroom, or you just want to access your toys, you certainly could on drive days. And it's so easy, it's just right there. Now, this Valor is pretty cool. It's a big boy, and it's perfect for full-time. It really is. It has all the things that you need. Now, the coolest thing of all is that if you buy this through Blue Compass, you get these amazing perks. Buying any RV from Blue Compass gets you the RV Complete VIP membership, which includes unlimited towing, windshield repair, and your very own RV tech, as well as other amazing benefits, and exclusive Loves discounts. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video and sticking around to the end. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.